Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see the ecology levels, organization principles of ecology. First, ecology. Ecology is the study of relationship between living organisms, including humans, and their physical environment. It seeks to understand the vital connections between the plants and animals and the world around them. Also, ecology also provides information about the benefits of ecosystem and how we can use Earth's resources in ways that leave the environment healthy for future generations. The term ecology was coined by German zoologist Ernst Haeckel in 1866. Also, ancient Indian texts have references to ecological principle as follows. The classical texts of Vedic periods such as Vedas, the Samhitas, the Brahmanas, and the Aranyakas Upanishads contain a reference to ecological concepts. Further conceptual understandings of ecological is found in the broader detailed study including life processes explaining adaptations, distribution and abundance of organisms, the movements of materials and energy through living communities, the suctional development of ecosystems and the abundance of distribution of biodiversity in context of the environment. Components. Ecology mainly involves the study of biotic and abiotic factors with the environment. Biotic component include the living factor and ecosystem. Example include bacteria, animal, birds, fungi, plants, etc. Abiotic components include non-living chemical and physical factors of an ecosystem. Example including sunlight, soil, air, moisture, minerals, etc. Types of ecology. The types of ecology. Microbial ecology. Microbial ecology looks the smallest fundamental leaves of lives that is the cellular level. Here the connections are made between microbes and their relationship between each other and their environments. This this is particularly important in the analysis of evolutionary connections and events leading to existence. Organisms or behavioral ecology. This is the study of organism and its fundamental levels and can encompasses microbial ecology. In this type of ecology, the main goal is understand the organism behaviors, adaptations for such behaviors, reasons for those behaviors as explained through the lens of evolutions, and the way all these accept mesh together. Population ecology. The population ecology focused on the populations defined as a group of organisms of the same species living in the same area at the same time. Here, attention is given to things such as population size, its density, the structure of population, migrations, patterns, and the interaction between organisms of the same populations. Community ecology. Community ecology takes a look at a community defined as the populations that lives in a given area. Thus, it includes all the different species population. The focus here is usually on the interaction between the different species and how their number and sizes all mesh together and how change in one population change the dynamics of the whole community. Ecosystem ecology. Ecosystem ecology makes a unique contribution to understanding ecology by adding abiotic, that is non-living factors of the items analyzed alongside the biotic, that is living factors involved. The interactions therefore involves all aspects of the environments and how they interact. Global energy, that is biosphere. The global energy is principally important in understanding all ecosystem affecting the entire globe. This includes all the different biomes with the considerations of aspects such as climate and other environmental geography. Now we can see the steps of importance of ecology. It helps environmental conservations by adding us understanding the effects of our actions on the environment. Second, it ensures purpose resource allocations and it equally allows to use to see the purpose of each organism in the ecosystems. The knowledge which will help us ascertain the resources essential for each organism. Third, aid in disease and pest control this study offers the world novel ways of understanding how pests and vectors behave, thereby equipping humans with knowledge and techniques on how to manage the pest and disease. The examples of ecology. In recent years, the red panda population has dropped significantly, leading conservation groups to classify it as a vulnerable or endangered species. Ecologists have found that biotic factors such as logging of trees and introduction of diseases from domestic dogs played a major role in the decline of red panda populations. Abiotic factors have seen less important to date, but changing temperature could cause further habitat loss in the future. So, understanding the main ecological factor responsible for the decline in red panda numbers helps ecologists from conservation plan to protect the species. Now you can see the levels of organizations. First, individual species organisms. The organisms in this level has the ability to act or function independently. Second, here the individual do not breed with individuals from other groups. Second, populations. A group of individuals of a given species that live in a species geographic area at a given time. Populations include individuals of the same species but may have different genetic makeup such as hair, eyes, skin color and size between themselves and other populations. Third, community. It includes all the population in a specific area at a given time. A community includes a population of organisms of a different species. These are generally named after the dominant plant species. Ecosystem. Ecosystem include more than a community of living organisms, that is biotic interacting with the environment, abiotic. Everything that lives in ecosystem is dependent on the other species and elements that are also a part of the ecological community. Biome. A biome is a set of ecosystems sharing a similar characteristics with their abiotic factors adapted to their environments. Biosphere. When we consider all the different biomes, each blending into the other, with all humans living in a many different geographical area, we form a huge community of humans, animals, and plants and microorganisms in their defined habitat. A biosphere is a sum of all ecosystems established on planet on Earth. So this is a diagram of biospheres. Atom, molecule, cell, tissue, organ system, organism, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. So the now we can see the principle of this diagram is of the levels of organism in an ecosystems. You can pause the video and take the screenshot of it. Now we can see the principle of ecology. First, evolution of organized ecological system into the hierarchies. Second, the sun is the ultimate source of energy for most ecosystems. Third, organisms are chemicals machines that run on energy. Fourth, chemical nutrient cycle repeatedly while energy flows through an ecosystem. Organisms interact, do things to each other in a way that influence their abundance. Ecosystems are organized into the web of interactions, and human population have an outsized role in competing with, preying upon, and helping the other organisms. Last, ecosystem provide essential service to human populations. Thank you.